Hello, I'm glad you made it. To get your direct access to the COVID-19 Survival Guide for Dental Practices, just click the link above. But before you do, I have a little riddle for you. What's the most important piece of a puzzle? Now, some of you may say the corner piece, but in reality, it's the picture on the box. Yes, because the picture is what gives you the clarity, and it helps you put those moving parts together. For this reason, we wanted to make sure you have the same clarity in the next weeks or months when dealing with your practice. So we created the COVID-19 Dental Survival Mapping Session. In this strategy mapping session, we will show you in detail, step by step, with picture-perfect clarity, what you exactly need to do to make sure your practice not only survives this period, but is positioned to thrive. In the COVID-19 mapping session, we're going to discuss three main strategies: the flip the script strategy, the lighthouse strategy, and the growth mapping strategy. So if you'd like this clarity, just click the button below and book a 15-minute call. On this call, you could ask us any immediate questions you have, and we'll learn more about each other and see if we're a good fit for each other. You'll also have the opportunity to book your mapping session. Now, normally, we charge $1,500 for our mind mapping session, but this one will be at no charge. Yeah, you heard that right. We are giving our time away to help out during this unfortunate circumstance, so your session will be absolutely free. That being said, we do only have a limited number of spots, so don't hesitate before we have to close this offer. Click the button below and let's schedule a time for your 10-minute discovery call so we can answer any of your questions about this no-charge COVID-19 dental survival mapping session.